bagi tini bana laksana nakan.
Hambai sini kok Tripura no sini Grand Master no actually Silambam Federation ni bo founder aboni bising te sini kana celebration program tongo jaga wa sing kabang ma sini Grand Master thane serungjang nai tongo martial art no bahaketi sanai Silambam no bahaketi sanai abo sini Grand Master thane sing trip agunai bes kangu khelo India khelo go thangin tongo South Asian Games robo already habnani thangin tongo starting ngi tongo first time o 2025 no itihas ngana khakhalayo South Asian Games robo kangkai te kaisa kangkai sini o jaga wo Grand Master ringmani karon bo sing kabang manuka 2018 je BJP ITF government samani jagulo je kaisa raida salaja ka sport department ni raida salaja mani bisingte aboni 8 district guri na nango ngka sing aboni idea bo saimaya ang tabuk sa first time ang tolo kickboxing ni player kang chini Grand Master malai Silambam ni already samung tangkha ngka aboni bisingte registration khlaijang nai rok society bahage khlaijang sing Grand Master thane no shika dikha mas ringlai o tai gangkai sing Grand Master no chini bisas khlayo Grand Master no sing Tripura ni bagi itihas chini Tripura san bagi khlaiana
Ada Silambam thunu ke bahai jarabo.
Silambam gangkai stick latha jesing latha ni mani o latha tongo fighting ngkai abo kabang ma event o jaga 15 event tongo Silambam
Acha bo daga Tripura o ke nor ne o Silambam mutung na eba kaba je surungi tonga mutung nai rok bo daga nor na surungi nor ne
sini tole sing tole Silambam ni actually sini acknowledge kri ko ang thane November 2024 November ang jaga election bas ka pas bongka joint secretary India body ninka notice du ni bochin Grand Master saka notice du ni bang tam na in charge ni bising samung tangan thangi tongo ngka tabu state ni bang general secretary yang tongo chini president tongo chini West Tripura district ni secretary angkai botai all Tripura bagi bo joint secretary tongo ngkai जों जतकिसु Grand Master फाइजाक जों बरं थानिनो Silambam ni practice bahai demo bahai जों बरं थानिनो सरमै मानारा गर्ने
Acha khana je man lamthamu pandang nai bo daga lamthamu pandang
sini lamsongmani panda hangkangkai khumpui school ong nai khumpui school ngana o syndicate tongo okni yo tokhono boni sinijangmani ke syndicate bo hne sinijang
koita samai ro
sini phung sarikni 6 থেকে start khlaioi horni 10 jora ani kaisa omonu koimong sini program jotono support khlaioi nainani bagai jotoni bagai no जों जतनो थांसा नै सिनि program no support खालामनायनि बागै आनि request जतनो फाइ सिनि ओ जागा orchestra bo tongnai गोबां मा बिभिन्न system rok bo tongnai जतनो बागै नायनि बागै आनि कोइमो
acha nor ne thinang rogo omahai Silambam rombudo mutung jangna Tripura ha to je
Tripura wo जों ताबुसिनि Grand Master फाइका जों national championship bo Tripura to bunani no chesta khlai tongo first time ang tabuk sa Tripura sangai chini Grand Master sara wall bo ne sini jak tongo wall ni bo founder aboni bisingtei sang chini Tripura chikun sara jen bisingtei chini Grand Master to bi phunuka ka national game bo tangai maya tongnai ang kaisa India body ni bo joint secretary tongo angkai chini je Grand Master ano je knowledge ru ang abono boni kokno ni ang samung khlai tongo जों नगानो बा chini April logono national championship Tripura wo khlainani try khlaiyano
Silambam thumu rokto Tripura wo kebo thunguyako ba Tripura ni borok kebo thangi padra thunguyako ngenor na o muthumani bisingte thoro busuk khangto tok eba khabat
abu tole chini practice ni bisingte chini Grand Master se select khlainai ang India body phone chini founder tongo bono jodi ke se select khlainai Tripura ni angkhale rohopula जों tabuk boni practice se nugya जों bono tole phatse international players nai me Asian Games players nai me जों state championship khlainai step by step khlaimani pore जों state championship khlainai aboni bisingte no जों joto je manmani khlainai
student rok norni Silambam thuna bage phare phaika
ani tole already combat fight tongo kickboxing tongo hapino combat fight no जों bad duino totally Silambam no government ni recognize manjak जों Silambam no tong hangka chini lama yok samani manana nei khaklai
ni sinimo
ani sinimo Ajit da Burma
am bo position
ang general secretary tongo Tripura state ni all India Silambam Federation ni joint secretary
welcome today in Tripura
Namaskar, Vanakkam. My name is Selvaraj from Tamil Nadu. Founder All India Silambam Federation, founder of Asian Silambam Federation, founder of World Silambam Federation. I am coming here qualification function. Mr. Ajit Dabrai, he is the joint secretary. Last month election, 29th November month 29th in Kanyakumari, All India Silambam Federation, extraordinary annual general body meeting and election. He is the elected. So here qualification function, and also here Tripura state will feature national championship. Our federation, All India Silambam Federation, organized. We are planning. So I will check this place, stadium and everything.
Sir, what about the Tripura?
What about Silambam? Good question. What about Silambam? Silambam is the Purana traditional martial arts. 5,000 years ago, the traditional in Indian culture, Indian cultural martial arts. You see, this game is indigenous martial arts games. Last year, Khelo India games demo event. This year, the upcoming Khelo India medal tally, I think. So our game, Silambam, in Tamil Nadu, not only the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry, and Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, South Indian regional sports, this game. Now promote North India, very good promotion already, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Here Northeast now promote. We are planning Northeast zone in search. Northeast zone in search, Mr. Ajit. He is the now Northeast Pura in search. He is promote. He will promote his Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Meghalaya include 9 states. He is the in search. So we planning after 2 days what kind of promote will feature organize the Northeast Silambam National Championship also. Many more planning. That's why I am coming to here.
Achha, what do you think Tripura people are joining your organization?
Tripura people, very nice person, very smile person. I too much like Tripura. Almost Tripura person, not the different like South Indian, the smile and all I like South Indian, Northeast zonal. Why I given the capital Tripura this game. Very nice, I like it.
Thank you, sir.